How to delete trade locker account? Well, this is very easy thing to do. So this is my trade locker, and if you haven't created an account, then you can just create it by using just click on start trading. To delete it's very easy. So first of all, you have to close all your positions. So if you have purchased or sold some of something, then you have to close each and everything, and you have to close all your position, right? Then you have to contact your broker, right? So whenever you just make an account in the starting period, they will give you an option to select your broker, right? Let me show you. Just like here, guys, you will find a lot of options, right? So let me take you here. As you can see, a lot of brokers are available here, and if I just click any one of them, it will redirect to me that this official page of that that broker, and I have to log in by using it, right? My credentials. So as you can see here, so first of all, you have to contact. Now here you have to provide your trade locker account ID to your broker when making the deletion request, right? Now you have to wait for confirmation because your broker will do this stuff, and that your broker will delete your account. It will help you, right? And this is how you can do it, and after that you can get feedback to your broker or trade locker about why you chose to close your account. So this is only way where you can just delete your account, and this can only possible if you just contact your broker. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.